Hello everyone. For this video, I'm going to do some playing with some reinkers and sharing it with you. And what I'll do is I'll split it up and I'll use them to make cards. Okay, from the ink blending that I did, I've chosen this panel to work with first. And for this one, I used turquoise and hydrangea from Pink Fresh to create this background. Now I'm going to take what's the name of this stamp set? Here it is. Petunia Bloom set from Rubbernecker. It's also under Brass and Bliss, but that's the one I'm going to do. And I've also chosen out You Make Me Smile. I've got those sticking on here. I'm going to use it with a piece of silver card, a piece of dark purple card. This is my card base. I have Versamark and I have silver ink. This is a great way to just play and have some fun. And I forgot my other, let me get my other, I'll put that there. I want my other magnet. So let me get that. Okay, and I may be rearranging those. Now, the first thing I'm going to take and do is I'm going to put down my blooms where I want them. Now see, I'm going to move that. I'm going to put that there. And then the You Make Me Smile, I think I'm going to put it here, like so. Let me see if I move this to the other side, how it'll do. I need to hold that edge down just slightly. All right. I'm trying to get it straight. Okay, then I'm going to close my MISTI. I open it back up. I'm going to use, I forgot my embossing buddy. You want to use this because after doing all this, there may be a spot that you'll get some fingerprints or something that's stuck on there, and your powder will stick to it, and you don't want that. All right. I don't know if I inked this thing up. I may not have, because I'm not seeing anything on my All right. All right. Let's see what I've got. I can always restamp it. Just don't move that out. All right, this is my silver. I'm going to move my things here. And let's see what happens. Oh, there is ink on it. The top didn't look like I had that done. Looks like I missed there. All right, I'm going to heat set this. And if I've missed anything, like that flower didn't get all the way done, but I have to heat set it first. All right. And because I put my powder down, I know where my See, that flower I missed, so I have to add some more ink there. Okay. All right, let's see if that worked. Yeah, I got it now. And it's not going to show up because it hasn't been melted. Let me melt this. All right. And I have it. All right, now it's time to put my card together, but I need to clean this up because if I don't, why is this not working? I don't know. It's not sticking. Oh, I hate to put that in there. All right, there. Let me pull down all my pieces and I can get my card put together. All right. First thing I'm going to do is put this on here, and I'm going to use roll tape because it's kind of warped because it was watercolor and then I heat embossed on it. So if I use my roll tape, that'll help grab it really good. And you know what? I'm going to put one in the middle just to give it some extra sticking power. All right, now that's going to go on my silver card. Oh, I have got all kinds of powder on here. Hang on. I have embossing powder on there, and I don't like that gritty feel. All right. Always burnish your ends in, especially on watercolor paper, or the tape will lift off with the backing. It won't stay. All right. So now I've got to put this on here. And the key is not to stick it down. I should have used my hint. Totally forgot. Now, this and this are paper, so I can use my regular tape, but I will put a piece across the middle. Again, only because it's embossed. All right, here's my card base. And I gotta put this down. And I think it needs some silver gems, which I have here. I almost put that upside down. So this is a great way to spend some time playing and then using your things that you play with, that you created when you played, to make a card. And this is a quick and easy idea. You can add a ribbon if you want. I'm just sprinkling on some gems, silver gems. And there's today's Sunday idea. I hope you'll give this idea a try and play with reinkers and watercolor paper. There's nothing spectacular about it. Have a sensational Sunday. Bye.